Alright team, look at the new furnace swap on this unit. We're down in the basement. There's actually a walkout on the opposite side over there, which we're going to have to get a path cleared here. Got an 80% furnace, 19 inches wide, 40 inches tall. It's 5-inch flue, which we did the water heater a couple years back. Looks like we probably also dropped this flue liner. You can actually kind of see it in the crack there, but it's a 3-inch on the water heater. Return drop is a 10 by 23, 6 inches between the return drop and the side of the furnace. Probably end up doing V-width on the furnace, but we got plenty of room to make this an 8 or 10 by 26. And we'll have enough space to move that over for the 1210 April air box. The drain for the coil, it's a floor drain, about 20 foot over there. It's just sort of tying around. You can see it under there. Comes out